What's up, YouTube? I'm here again with another video. So my car is like misfiring a little bit, but I really don't know if it's a misfire or not. I don't know what it can be anything. I have a few parts coming in 2 days, so I'll see how that goes. I have spark plugs. I have coil packs and injectors coming in. I have injectors coming in tomorrow, Wednesday. Then I have coil packs, MSD coil packs coming in Thursday. So I'm just gonna start the car so you guys can see how it sounds, because it sounds pretty horrible and it feels horrible. I'm gonna start by starting the car, and then in the next clip we'll see how it is. Okay. Wow, everything feels normal. How wonderful. Wow. Wow, everything feels good. Dude, nothing feels wrong, but I know oh, I think that's it. There you go. I felt it just change. And then, like, the steering wheel is shaking. No guy anyway, sorry. Usually when the car warms up, it gets better, but I don't know. Sorry, so I'm just gonna plug the MSD two-step box right here. So I already unplugged most of all these coil packs here. I just have to place clip them, the original clips back in. I guess you guys didn't want to see that, so I'll just skip ahead. Okay, I took off all the coil packs. One of the clips broke in the back right one. This car is just a piece of shit, I swear. I'm just gonna start it and see. I think everything is plugged back in. Everything should be Gucci, and yeah, see if everything works. Move this out the way. So I found the problem. It's kind of dumb, yo. It's like, what the heck? But, alright, you see this coil pack right here. Now look at it, watch. Still running the same. Now watch when I unplug another coil pack. Here now, it changed. So that one's in. So this one's not even plugged in, and it's making that sound. But watch when I plug it in. It doesn't fix it. It's still running the same. So I'm probably just gonna go to AutoZone, grab another freaking coil pack, I guess, and plug it in. Probably plug my two-step back in, because that wasn't the problem, and so that'll probably be it. I'm not really sure what else to do, but yeah, I just recorded a 7-minute video. I forgot to turn this off. Fuck my life. Okay, so I have the new coil pack, but for some reason there's like a gasket in here that I feel like that's that doesn't come with it. For some reason, this doesn't come with it, but I'm just gonna throw this one in just to throw it in. Some off-brand shit. I don't know. I'm gonna throw it in. I'll just keep that one. I'm just gonna throw this in right here. The car's fucking hot because I was driving it. Put a spark plug in there, like that. Grab the bolt. Grab the freaking bolt in the hole. Thing. Oh, that shit is way off. That thing is way off. Oh man. This is hard to record and do it with one hand. Alright, I'm just gonna. Okay. That is on. Put on a factory thing. Watch it go all the way down like the other, not like the other one. See? It goes all the way down now. Dude, I think that gasket, it was like a double gasket. It might have came off another like coil pack, and then it got stuck, that rubber piece inside the coil pack. Cause now it fits all the way down. Oh man, I'm about to start it and see. Hold on. Okay, got my keys. Let me clear the code. No communication. Why? Kind of still misfiring, but I'm trying to clear the code. Turn on key and on position, do not start engine. Clear codes. Let's see if I have any codes. P100, 1000. I think that's just with this Bama thing. It has nothing to do with the actual code. Okay, let's start up again and see. Dude, it's still misfiring. It's pissing. It is pissing me off, dude. Gets to the thousands, it starts freaking. I don't know, man. I don't know what this could be. It's annoying, like super annoying. Civic gang. Are we ready?
Yeah, man.
You ready to change your transmission fluid?
Hell yeah. I got all of it right here.
Let's do it. My car over there. Got all the fluids. Ooh, some Honda HG. Honda genuine.
You gonna try to do it? That shit's hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it.
Hard as fuck.
Oh man. Nah, this socket
scared me, nigga. I thought you got fucking shocked.
Nah, this socket is no good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have another one? Yeah, I got one in the car. Oh man. Take two. Let that motherfucker soak in that thing. What that thing soaked. All right, let's try it. Let's try this again. I might have to use my drill, to be honest.
The impact.
Yep. Oh man, that's a tight one. Bro, I don't even think that's the one. Is it? There says engine oil right here.
That's what I was saying. That says engine oil. I thought it would say transmission fluid.
Oh, this is the, yeah, this is engine oil. Never mind. This is the transmission. I'm thinking two different things. Oh yeah, so this is the one. Never mind.
No, so you got the right one, right?
Yeah, this is the right one.
Okay.
Yeah. That's right. Oh my goodness, nigga, I lift up the whole fucking car with this bitch.
That's how I felt yesterday. I was scared, nigga. I was like, yo, I'm putting so much force, I'm about to move the whole car.
Oh yeah, no impact.
That's what I was saying yesterday.
Only the impact.
I was like, bro,
fuck that.
I told Aaron, I was like, yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I know when.
You got like a hammer or anything?
Yep.
I'm gonna need that.
Shit on my knee on
I'm
this car.
just ting, ting. Oh yeah. I'm feeling, guys. This is horrible. First my car, now this is hard, bro. Wiggle this out. Oh man, snapping the thing.
Oh, just now?
Oh Lord, I did it.
Oh shit.
So how does that work with the engine being a little warm?
It's just gonna be
fine, right?
hot, yeah. Oh shit!
Man, that shit
Oh.
is dark as fuck, bro.
Yeah, it is.
That
It's
shit
bad.
is dark.
Fuck. I did it, guys, for the tube. Hell yeah. Got all the oil out. It's lit. It's a little puddle. Oh, man. Throw this mug back in. I'm about to tighten the shit out of it. Oh, man.
And I just found my old funnel.
Oh, yeah. Give it a nice tight squeeze, buddy.
Yo, this nigga
Oh.
Freeman was supposed to come out here and help me with this shit.
He at work?
I told him like a month ago.
Oh, shit.
I was like, yo, feel me? I got.
Well, a month ago was kind of cold. Right now it's nice as fuck
yeah,
for
definitely. But I was telling him, I was like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna wait till it
That's
warms
tight.
up a little bit and shit. I was like, yo, I got.
shit. Pour her in, buddy. Ooh, that's way pinker.
It's like cough syrup.
Yeah, it really does look like it. Get the next one ready. Ooh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy.
See, I fucked up on the first pour. I was pouring it the other way and that shit was coming out all.
Like floppy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just did a transmission flush, baby. Change of transmission fluid, whatever you want to call it. My car is still clapped. I think I have to turn off, like...
It's my car stuck.
It's still clapped. I think I have to take the battery off and then drive it around. Hopefully that fixes it. If not, I got new parts to throw at that shit. I think I have a problem, man.
Ray, like I was saying, man, he was supposed to be coming out here and helping me and
So
stuff.
good.
Whatever, you feel me? Cause I was basically telling him like,
Alright, let me turn my light on. Alright, so we finished Danny's transmission fluid change. I think my car has like an exhaust leak. I'm not really sure. I think that's what it is. It's so annoying. I changed the coil pack. It still runs shitty, but I think at the right side, the right exhaust is having an exhaust leak, because it's like I can hear it like being raspy-ish, kind of, sort of. Doesn't sound pretty good. So I don't know if it's like the top middle part or the bottom that's not screwed in. It might be the middle part, but I'm not really sure. So I mean, I'll see in a few minutes. Maybe I'll do it today or tomorrow. I'm not sure really.